Springtime is finally here. The weather's starting to warm up, which means that me and my family are going to be spending a lot of time over by the pool. I've covered lots of pool cleaning robots here on the channel, and in this video, I'm going to be partnering with WYBOT to take a look at the all-new WYBOT S2 Solar. This is the first robotic pool cleaner that I've ever seen that can actually dock and charge itself using solar power. In this video, we'll take a full look at the WYBOT S2 Solar. Let's go ahead and get started. Setting up the solar powered underwater docking station was very easy. It does come with a quick start guide, but essentially all I had to do was unfold the solar panel, set it on a flat surface. Then I just spun the leveling wheels to make sure that this was secure and level on the pool's edge. Next up, I removed the covers to expose the wire connection. You'll notice that the hook is a little wobbly. There are adjustments underneath this cover. You can screw those to change the height there to make sure that the hook is firmly rested against the pool wall. From there, I was able to snap on the docking station to the solar charger. I connected the power cable from the solar kit to the docking station, replaced the covers, and then placed the robot onto the charging dock. As soon as the robot was connected to the dock, it powers up and you're able to connect this through the application. For me, the standout feature here is definitely the solar charging dock station. With one full day of sunlight, you're able to get an hour and a half of use out of the pool robot. Of course, there's DC charging available as well, and you can charge this robot fully in about 3 hours with the DC charge option. But I do like the eco-friendliness of the solar panel, and I do like the fact that I really don't have to remove this from the pool in order to charge it. This automatically returns to the solar charging station when it's done cleaning, so you don't have to worry about manually charging this robot. Because you don't have to worry about removing the robot from the pool to manually charge it, you can set up enhanced scheduling to automate the cleaning. Maybe you want to clean every single day, maybe you want to clean once every couple of days, and you want to set this to clean at 3 a.m. or 7 a.m. That way it's finished cleaning when you actually want to go out and swim. You're able to do that through the application. Another major benefit to the solar charge docking station is the fact that this adds underwater communication. This uses advanced cloud technology and underwater sonar communication to allow you to control the robot while it's underwater. There are a lot of pool robots out there that can connect to your application, but as soon as they go underwater, they lose connection to the internet, they lose connection to your phone. With this setup, you're able to actually control this like a remote control car, and you can change the cleaning mode and tell this to return back to the dock for charging, all from the convenience of your phone while the pool robot is underwater. This is definitely one of the most convenient pool robots that I've ever used, but it's also super powerful. This uses a powerful brushless motor with tons of suction power, and you can see that it has no trouble picking up all this debris off the bottom of the pool floor. The WYBOT S2 features AI-powered intelligent path optimization, so whenever you tell it to clean the floor, it can actually do an S-pattern cleaning, making sure that it covers the entire area, not missing any spots. This robot can also clean your pool walls in an H or Y-shaped pattern, and it has the ability to totally clean the water line, which is a major benefit here in my area where we've got tons of pollen and things like that tend to accumulate right there at the water line. There are 7 different cleaning modes to choose from. You can select those either on the device itself or within the application on your phone. You can also start and stop this from within the app or with the one-click touch options on the solar pad itself. The double level filtration uses a 180 ultra micron filter box and a 40 ppi ultra fine sponge to make sure that it captures all the debris, even smaller debris like dust and sand. This is able to clean pools up to 300 square meters on a single charge with about a 2.5 hour runtime. This robotic pool cleaner is great for all shapes and sizes of pools. You can definitely see the difference here in this before and after of how great of a job this robotic pool cleaner did with cleaning my pool. If you're looking for a very powerful and convenient robotic pool cleaner, then the WYBOT S2 Solar is definitely a great option. I'll be sure to include links in the description of where you can find out more information about the WYBOT S2 Solar and where you can purchase one for yourself. That about wraps it up for this video. Thanks guys for watching. Be blessed. I'll see you in the next one.